Hi, this is Zach Smith over at Chariot Financial. Just wanted to do a quick presentation on SBA loans. As you know, we have a very robust commercial lending division here at Chariot Financial, and just thought I would do a quick video for SBA loans, just doing a quick high-level overview. And I'm really trying to design these so that you can just share these quickly with some of your clients and things like that. So let me go ahead and share my screen here. So once again, this is me. My name is Zach Smith. I own Chariot Financial. You can take a look at our commercial lending division at chariotbiz.com. That's B-I-Z. So feel free to check that out. Or if you have people who are looking to apply. So if you're looking to buy your car wash or your restaurant or your assisted living facility, or hey, how about we get a group of people together and go in on a 250 complex rental complex? If you need funding for that kind of thing, look no further. We're your people. So SBA loans. So Small Business Administration, the U.S. Small Business Administration helps small businesses get funding by setting guidelines for loans and reducing the lender list. So these are backed by the government. These SBA-backed loans make it easier for small businesses to get funding that they need. So basically how it works is you have your lending partner. SBA says, hey, these are the guidelines that we want you to follow. Then they'll lend the money out to the small business, and basically by SBA getting involved, it creates less risk for the banks that are actually lending the loans, lending the money out. So there's three basic types of loans for SBA clients. You have your 7A loans, which is a group of SBA loans which guarantee portions of the total amount, cap interest rates, and limit fees. So those are great loans. And then you have the 504 loans, which are long-term, fixed rate financing to purchase or repair real estate, equipment, machinery, or other assets. We're working with a group right now, a HVAC company that wants to build, a metal shed for their equipment, run their business out of it, and all that. That's all great, a great fit for SBA loans. And then they do micro loans, which is the smallest loan program. They provide $50,000 or less to help, for startup cash or to help a business expand. So again, loans from 500 to 5.5 million. Loans are guaranteed by SBA, range from small to large, and can be used for most business purposes, including long-term fixed assets, operating capital, and some loan programs set restrictions on how you can use the funds. So types of uses, working capital, you need cash to operate a business, like seasonal financing, export loans, revolving credit, and refinanced business debt. Also fixed assets like furniture, real estate, machinery, equipment, construction, and remodeling. I think we skipped a page there. Okay. I thought we skipped a page. Let me see. Did we skip two? We just skipped one. All right. So eligibility requirements. Lenders and loan programs have unique eligibility requirements. In general, eligibility is based on what a business does do to receive its income, the character of its ownership, and where the business operates. Normally, businesses must meet SBA's size standards, be able to repay, and have a sound business purpose. So even those with bad credit may qualify for startup funding. Chariot Financial will provide you with a full list of eligibility requirements should you decide to apply with us at chariotbiz.com. Eligibility requirements continued. It has to be a for-profit business. So if it's a nonprofit, it's not eligible. The business is officially registered and operates legally. This is for a legal business here. So all those shady business owners out there, we can't help you, okay? So you have to do business in the U.S. The business is physically located and operates in the United States or its territories. They also have to be credit worthy. Again, a lot of loans are based on determining risk. And how do they determine risk? Well, credit has a big part in that. So the business credit must be sound enough to assure loan repayment. And you also have to exhaust all other financing options. The requested loan is unavailable on reasonable terms from non-government sources. So you basically, they want you to use these funds as a last resort. They want you to take a look at other funding options that are available before you go to SBA. So just to compare the pros and cons of SBA loans, the pros are your loan is government backed, favorable interest rates, longer repayment terms, so that stretches out your terms, so your payments lower. Extra support is available if needed, and there's a variety of loan types available. Now, we've been talking about, oh, this is great, SBA loans are, the best thing since sliced bread. But there are also some cons to SBA loans. And, I do a lot of education, a lot of videos. If you Google me, I have all kinds of videos about all kinds of stuff. And one of the things I really try to focus on is giving you the straight answer. I don't want to just talk to you about the good stuff. I want you to know the good, the bad, and the ugly as well. So here's some of the cons. You have to use other funding first. Remember, they want you to exhaust all other options before you turn to an SBA loan. There's a lot of paperwork involved. It's kind of like the reverse mortgage. One of the best things that's ever happened to the reverse mortgage is the government got involved. One of the worst things that ever happened to the reverse mortgage is that the government got involved. They're great programs, but they require a lot of paperwork. And, that's kind of the same thing for any loan, to be honest with you. They're calculating their risk and they're not going to take your word for it. They want you to prove to them that you are a good credit risk. And how do they do that? Well, they ask you for all kinds of paperwork. Long waiting periods sometimes, and you can't use the money for everything. Sometimes they restrict as to what you can use the money for. And collateral may be required. And what do we mean by collateral? Well, do you own a house? Your primary residence? Well, they may place a lien against your primary residence for an SBA loan. So that's just a quick quick overview of the SBA loan programs. If you have questions for me, or if you're looking to get any type of commercial financing, we have a very robust platform at chariotbiz.com. So feel free to give me a call anytime or visit us at our website. You can reach me at 720-502-3278. We are open 24 hours a day. So just kidding. But, of course, in this industry, you can't really be a 9 to 5 person. So if you have questions, or if there's anything I can do to help you with your journey of finding financing, don't hesitate to give me a call. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much.